Crypto.com sending Solana to Phantom Wallet. Drop a like if this helps. Let's go. Learn passive income concepts. Click the link down below. Simply put, open up the Crypto.com free cryptocurrency wallet. As you can see here on your device, simply put, it's quite simple. If you want to send Solana to the Phantom Wallet, click on Solana. And then as you can currently see here right now, Solana is in an uptrend. Simply put, scroll down. As you can see underneath analysis next to balance, these two tabs right here, you can deposit or you can withdraw Solana. As you can see here, some of the details. In this case, you want to open up the Phantom Wallet. Underneath tokens, locate Solana next to collectibles. And now as you can currently see here on the Phantom Wallet, simply put, click on receive next to send, copy the address like so, and then go back to cryptocurrency wallet or crypto.com. As you can see here, simply put, if you want to send over the Solana, paste it right here completely for free.